name is Matt Saloy. Our company name is Hangar Doors of Alaska. I am the owner and operator. We started manufacturing power lift hydraulic doors in 2017 in Alaska. I'm a general contractor building commercial hangars, residential hangars, and it was always frustrating shipping a hangar door from the lower 48s and having to put it together and install it. I was contacted by Power Lift Hydraulic Doors for a business relationship and a license to build power lift hydraulic doors in Alaska. We jumped on it. So before we chose Sunward Steel Buildings, I did a lot of research to find the proper building company and design. I went through at least 6 different companies before I ultimately chose Sunward. The biggest reason we chose Sunward Steel Buildings is because I really enjoyed working with them. Their sales reps were great. Sunward was always very responsive. They produced details and drawings and answered any questions I had. Sunward was the easiest to deal with as far as planning out the overall functionality of this building. The importance of doing your due diligence when choosing a building is really one of the most important things you can do before you build. If your building doesn't arrive the way you planned it, everything you did ahead of time is lost. Sunward was really good about making sure that our plans were detailed. They really walked us through the whole process of construction so that we could have this building built on time and on schedule. We had no issues with getting delivery of the building to Alaska. Sunward worked with our logistics team to make sure the building was loaded and all parts of the building were accounted for and delivered without damage. I really appreciated their care when packaging the building. My experience with Sunward has been fantastic. All the way from preliminary design to delivery, the follow-up was very nice as well. They made sure along the course of the project to check in with us to make sure things were going okay. Sunward was very knowledgeable about their product. And what I really respected about the company is if you asked a question that the one individual maybe didn't know, they went to the appropriate person. We've recommended them to many power lift hydraulic door customers, and we have since built 2 Sunward Steel buildings and put doors in many others. It is very easy for us as a power lift hydraulic door installer to recommend Sunward Steel Buildings because it makes our job easier. When we come to a building and it's true, it's square, it's plumb, we notice that. And we've had no trouble installing doors in a Sunward Steel building. And each one of our power lift hydraulic door customers that have used the Sunward buildings also had nothing but good to say. The weather here is unlike many other places. It can be raining and then go to snow. We'll get 60-mile-per-hour winds all the way up to 100. The snow loads that we require as a minimum is 55 PSF. It was very easy to incorporate the power lift hydraulic door into the Sunward buildings. Hangar Doors of Alaska has installed countless doors in countless steel buildings. And Sunward, by far, designs a much cleaner opening for the door to be installed in. Ultimately, we got exactly what we wanted.